Have you ever looked at the airplane you're about to board and thought, how old is this thing? With the recent rise in air incidents, more people are asking this question. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find out the age of any airplane before you step on board. Let's get into it. The recommended lifespan of a commercial airplane is typically 20 to 30 years, or about 75,000 flight hours, and 20,000 to 40,000 flight cycles, a cycle being one takeoff and landing. But how long do airlines actually keep their planes? Major airlines retire planes after 10 to 20 years and sell them. Low-cost carriers push them to 25 plus years to cut costs. Cargo airlines, they'll keep a plane 30 plus years, sometimes even 40 years if it's well maintained. Every airplane has a unique registration number, also known as the tail number. This number is like a license plate for planes. You can enter this number on websites like FlightAware, airfleets.net, or planespotters.net to see the plane's full history, when it was built, which airlines have used it, and even how many flights it's been on. You might be shocked to find out that some commercial airplanes have been flying for over 30 years. If you're already inside the plane, you might be able to find a manufacturer's plate near the cockpit door or inside the landing gear bay. This plate lists the exact year the aircraft was built. Remember, older doesn't always mean unsafe. Some older planes are safer than new ones because they have kept up with frequent maintenance. Another quick trick is using FlightRadar 24 or jet photos. Just search your flight number, click on the aircraft details, and boom, you get the age, first flight date, and full flight history. So if you see a plane from the 1990s, you might start wondering if it's time for an upgrade. So, what happens when a plane gets too old? Well, airlines do one of three things. Sell it to a smaller airline, usually in developing countries, convert it into a cargo plane for FedEx, UPS, or DHL, scrap it for parts in an airplane boneyard. But don't worry, strict maintenance schedules mean that some 30-year-old planes are actually safer than a poorly maintained 10-year-old one. So, next time you fly, check the age of your plane. You might be surprised. Would you feel safe on a 30-year-old airplane? Comment below. And if you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel-related content. See you in the next one.